afternoon, good evening, wherever you at. It is Jackie and Jackie's Cooking. And today, my loves, we are going to make some delicious, creamy, custardy corn pudding. It's such a great side dish, and I really know that you'll love this recipe. My loves, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get weekly updates on all of my delicious recipes. And don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Let everybody know Jackie's Cooking. All right, so the following ingredients for our delicious corn pudding. We have some butter, some flour, some fine cornmeal, sugar, salt, some nice large eggs, baking powder, cream of corn, sour cream, gotta have the sour cream, vanilla, pure vanilla, and some nutmeg. Let's get started. So my loves, we are going to first melt our butter, and then after it melts, we're just going to set it to the side until we're ready to get to it. Now, let's get to the next step. In a separate bowl, we are going to combine our dry ingredients. We're going to add our fine cornmeal, and the recipe is listed in the description box below. We're now adding our flour. As you can see, I'm really working to get this flour off this plate. This, guys, is such a great side dish, especially for holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Sunday dinners, or whenever. It's just one of those nostalgic side dishes. It's like, you know, when you have cranberry sauce for, you know, next to your dishes on Thanksgiving. Oh, it's just so good. Now we're adding our baking powder. It's so creamy. It's custardy, but it has body to it at the same time. And I guess in some places they call it spoon bread. Okay, so now we're mixing those together. Okay, we're going to add some salt and some nutmeg. Okay, so now we are going to combine our wet ingredients. We're going to crack our eggs into the bowl. Okay, we're going to start whisking those eggs. Okay, and now we're going to start adding our sugar. Okay, we're just going to mix that a little bit. And if you want, this is something you could definitely play with. You could add some shredded cheddar sharp cheese to it, cut some chives into it. I mean, you could make this savory too. But I like this version better. Okay, so now we're adding our sour cream. The sour cream is going to make this nice and keep it nice and moist. Now, and also we're going to add our cream of corn. Okay, I mean, it's simple and without all the complications. Straight to the point. You don't need a mixer for this. This is something you could definitely do by hand. But I guarantee you bring this to a party, you can bake this in a nice deep pan as well. Bring it to a party. We're adding some vanilla now. That vanilla is definitely going to add that nice extra level of flavor that we're looking for. Okay, we're mixing all that together. And, we're having our oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to place it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. And we want the center to be jiggly. Okay, that's what we're looking for. All right. And now we're adding our dry ingredients. And when I mean that it's nostalgic, guys, I mean that it really complements meats. I don't know what it is, if it's the sweet and the salt, I don't know what it is, but it really complements the other dishes. It just marries so well with like chicken or turkey or what have you. Now we're adding our melted butter, and we're going to mix that. And we're going to put it into a well-buttered pan. I think the pan I have is about 10 inches. Now, if you want something a little deeper, go ahead. It's just going to be longer cooking time, okay? But you want the center to be jiggly. Okay? So don't hesitate to butter your pan generously. Okay, and guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to press that notification bell, because you got to know when I'm sending out all those new recipes. I want you to like, and don't forget to share. Let your friends, your family, everybody know that Jackie's cooking. Yes, indeed. Okay, so now we're going to pour our mixture into the pan. And we're going to put it in our preheated oven. And there it is. This is it. It is, let me tell you, you could serve this right out of when it comes straight out of the oven. It is so good. I mean, oh boy, let me tell you. But you got to make this and try it for yourself. Try this recipe. It is so the minute you take that first bite, it's like, oh my God. As you can see, I was just going in. It's nice, and it has like a creamy, custardy, a slight cakey texture, but not fully. And that's what I love about this. It's just, oh my God, you could eat it by itself if you want. It's just that good. Okay, so definitely think about serving this on the next time you make those nice dinners or have those nice little holiday parties or what have you. I guarantee your guests will definitely love this. And you can see I'm just going into this. But my loves, I want you to share. I want you to eat, love, pray, be happy, stay safe, share love, peace, love, and happiness. That's what we need right now in this world. Okay? So I want you to enjoy life, eat good, and live. Bye.